Renewed calls this evening for Portmore St. Catherine to have its own police division. Councillor for the Waterford Division in the municipality, Fenley Douglas, says resources are stretched thin to cover Portmore, Central Village and Old Harbour, which comprise the St. Catherine South Police Division. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Portmore St. Catherine is one of the largest towns in the English-speaking Caribbean. With plans for the town to become the island's 15th parish, Councillor for the Waterford Division, Fenley Douglas, said there is much more work to be done.
It is time for St. Catherine South Police and Police Station, the 100-man police station. It is time for that station to be assigned to Portmore. Chairman, I am saying this in a time when there are...
Speaking at the latest crime meeting in the municipality, Mr. Douglas explained that crime-fighting resources for Portmore are stretched thin. For instance, he believes the police-to-person ratio is unacceptable.
The 100-man police station, Chairman, and I'm saying it again, has the responsibility for all of Portmore, inclusive of Elsha, Central Village, Old Harbour and Old Harbour Bay. The same senior superintendent is responsible for all of that area. Chairman, while Portmore grows daily in terms of housing solution, I am not hearing any growth as it relates to the numbers of police officers that are assigned to the 100-man station.
Which is why he made this call to the government.
Cut off Old Harbour Bay and all those other areas from the St. Catherine South Police Division and give the division a chance to police Portmore and its communities.
That aside, head of the St. Catherine South Police Division Senior Superintendent Clive Blair, who was also at the meeting, said crime-fighting efforts in the division are still among the best in the island.
Because of the level of operations that we have done and the number of persons that we have taken into custody, our clear-up rate for serious crime now stands at 65, one of the highest in the island. But approximately about 2 months ago beyond that, we were close to 70%. So basically, we are not looking too bad this year.
Between January 1 to November 9, 2020, there have been 403 major crimes in St. Catherine South. These include murders, aggravated assaults, shootings, break-ins, and rape. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.